In this video, I will show you how to upload video to Facebook page using phone. So let's get started. Facebook has removed option to upload video to Facebook page through Facebook app. We need to install Facebook Creator app for it. Once installed, we need to open the Creator Studio app. And next, we need to select the Facebook business page in which we want to upload the video. Next, we need to select this pencil icon in the top right. And again from the pop-up, we need to select video option. Next, we need to upload the video from our phone here. We can add a suitable title for the video in the title field. And next, we can add a brief description for the video in this screen. Next, we can upload a thumbnail image, or select a thumbnail image from the video, and continue. And finally, we can select either of the options here, so let's publish the video on the page. And done, our video is uploaded successfully into our Facebook page from the phone. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.